Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting leaks surrounding Sony's upcoming full-frame mirrorless camera, the Sony A7V. This latest addition to the legendary A7 lineup is creating quite a buzz, with groundbreaking specs and a real surprise release that could shake up the hybrid camera market. Whether you're a seasoned professional photographer, a content creator, or a videographer hunting for the perfect all-in-one camera, this comprehensive breakdown is crafted just for you. Sony's A7 series has long been a powerhouse in the mirrorless camera world, setting the bar for image quality, autofocus innovation, and video capabilities. Now, the rumored Sony A7V, or as some leaks call it, the A7V, promises to elevate the series even further, with major upgrades that combine speed, precision, and creative flexibility. In this video, we'll cover everything from its sensor specs, autofocus performance, connectivity, video prowess, and design enhancements to its market positioning and how it stacks up against rivals, like Canon's R6 Mark II and Nikon's Z7 III sensor. Technology and image quality revolution. Starting with the heart of the camera, the Sony A7V is rumored to feature a brand new 33-megapixel full-frame stacked sensor. This next-gen sensor is designed to deliver lightning-fast readout speeds, which could dramatically reduce rolling shutter effects, a common headache for mirrorless shooters during fast action or video recording. Imagine capturing crisp, distortion-free images even during rapid movement or panning shots. The enhanced sensor also promises improved low-light sensitivity and dynamic range exceeding 15 stops, which means better detail retention in shadows and highlights. For photographers craving pristine color accuracy and rich textures across various lighting conditions, this could be a game-changer. These improvements are expected to help the A7V stand out in professional photography circles, as well as among enthusiasts seeking superior image quality. Autofocus innovation, tracking and precision. Like never before, Sony has been a pioneer in autofocus technology, and the A7V leaks suggest a serious leap forward here too. The camera is anticipated to introduce advanced AI-powered autofocus algorithms capable of real-time tracking of humans, animals, and even birds with uncanny accuracy. This means the A7V could be a dream for wildlife photographers and sports shooters who need flawless tracking of fast-moving subjects. Moreover, new autofocus improvements tailored for low-light scenarios and action shots are rumored to make this camera reliable in environments ranging from dimly lit events to astrophotography sessions. Enhanced IAF and subject recognition could also speed up your workflow and help you never miss the perfect moment again. Connectivity and workflow enhancements for professionals. The Sony A7V looks to cater strongly to professionals who demand streamlined workflows. With dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless transfers, USB-C ports supporting higher data speeds, and dual card slots compatible with both CF Express Type A and SD UHS 2 cards, transferring large RAW files and 8K video clips will be seamless, and efficient integration with Sony's Imaging Edge app is expected to be smoother than ever, offering advanced remote control capabilities and cloud-based storage options. For creators working remotely or on the move, this level of connectivity means faster turnaround times and easier collaboration. Battery life improvements with optimized use of the NP-FZ100 battery and potential USB power delivery charging. Support further underlines Sony's focus on supporting extended shooting sessions without interruption. Video capabilities. A cinematographer's dream. One of the most exciting areas for content creators is the A7V's video features. Rumors indicate support for stunning 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, alongside 4K capture at up to 120 frames per second with internal 10-bit 4.2.2 recording. This places the A7V firmly in the league of high-end cinema cameras, offering filmmakers exceptional flexibility in post-production with rich color depth and smooth slow-motion footage. Sony may also introduce new video codecs to strike a balance between high quality and manageable file sizes. Advanced heat dissipation technology, akin to that in the Sony A1, could allow prolonged recording without overheating, a critical advantage for extended shoots or live streaming. Enhanced in-body stabilization, and a rumored dual-gain ISO system could help filmmakers achieve sharper shots even in challenging lighting, reducing noise while maintaining detail. These features combined suggest the A7V is primed to become a top contender for cinematic production and versatile video content creation. Ergonomics, design, and build. Quality leaked images and details indicate that the Sony A7V will retain the familiar ergonomic layout beloved by many Sony users, but with subtle, thoughtful improvements. The grip appears to be deeper and more comfortable, perfect for long shooting days. Expect improved weather sealing to enhance durability for outdoor photographers and adventurers. Sony is also likely tweaking the button layout to improve ease of use for hybrid shooters who constantly switch between stills and video modes. A larger, more responsive touchscreen LCD could debut, addressing user feedback from previous models and providing a more intuitive interface for menu navigation and touch focusing. Price point and market position. Sony seems to be targeting the A7V at the mid to upper segment of its mirrorless lineup, with a rumored price tag around $2,500 to $2,800. While that's a considerable investment, the extensive feature set could justify the cost for hybrid creators who demand top-tier image, quality, and video performance in one compact, versatile body. Positioned against competitors like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z7 III, the A7V's combination of sensor upgrades, autofocus prowess, video capabilities, and improved ergonomics may offer compelling reasons to choose Sony's ecosystem. Final thoughts. The leaks around the Sony A7V paint a vivid picture of a powerful, hybrid full-frame mirrorless camera that aims to elevate both photography and videography workflows. With its rumored advances in sensor technology, autofocus innovation, video recording prowess, and enhanced connectivity, the A7V has the potential to become a benchmark for mid-range mirrorless cameras in 2025. For content creators and pros looking for a versatile, reliable tool that can handle everything from high-resolution stills to cinematic-quality videos, the Sony A7V might just be the dream camera to watch out for. That wraps up today's deep dive on the Sony A7V leak. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for more cutting-edge tech updates and camera reviews. Ring that notification bell so you never miss the latest trends in photography and videography gear.